Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. It's the first time tuning into this channel. My name's Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here. So today I'm back out here in the north side of the Las Vegas Valley. Builder here is actually a D.R. Horton. The name of this neighborhood is the Heartland Manors. So we just got done touring this one over here. That was a pretty nice one, and that was 2,500 square feet. This one right here that we're going to be exploring today is 2,754 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with the 3-car garage. Base price $608,000. Let's take a look here. We do have a access point here. What this tells you, it's the next gen probably. We're about to find out. Is it a next gen? Who knows? I know how much you guys love these next gen properties. Let me know what your thoughts are about brown. I'm only saying that because I despise the color brown. I do not like brown because it look like doo-doo, that's why. You know what I'm saying? Now also the Spanish tiles, not really feeling it. Also the front. However, it doesn't matter what I think. I'm just trying to make you laugh. And also I'm trying to make you comment in the comments. A lot of stuff is going on. I mean, look at all this right here. All these people here to tour the homes. All right, let's go inside because it's just getting way too hot. So you can see we got a keypad here. We have a camera system in the front for the Ring. It's not a Ring doorbell system, but you know what I mean. We have a nice, oh, sorry, I'm not even gonna say this is nice. This is a feature wall right here. Bedroom up front. Let's see what we got. Okay, first thing I noticed, carpets, standard. Everything's all that you see here is all gonna be standard because you guys already know D.R. Horton, they order everything by the boatload. All doors, all same everything. Couple things that you're gonna do when you guys are purchasing your home. When you guys walk your home, make sure your outlets are straight too as well, because sometimes the outlets are not straight, and believe it or not, that actually happens quite often. And did you notice on this video home tour, everything's a little bit dark? Because lighting, folks. That's right, lighting is so important. I like that world map right there. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nothing special about this bathroom. Another thing I want to share with you, especially when you guys have a shower curtain like this, this is a great tub due to the fact that it's one piece. But when you have a shower curtain that's closed like this, okay, eventually what happens is water will always run down here. This is typically where you're going to get your moisture here. Baseboards will always swell up. So just make sure, if you, especially if you have any kids like that, that, you know, when they jump out, you always clean that with a towel. And if you're buying a resale, that's where you're always going to look. Also in the showers too as well. Okay. Now also when it comes to texture and the lighting, when you're doing your final walk, make sure to look at every single wall, because typically if some of these walls are white, you won't be able to see it, and the texture may not be the same. But when you start painting your house a different color, you're going to start to realize, like, wait, what's going on with this? Why does this texture look like that? Also, I see that a lot. Here's your 3-car garage. This is very unique that the door opens together like this. Smart panel box. We have our laundry room right here. Okay, and here's your main living space. We're gonna go into the next gen after. Your next gen is over here. If there's not another laundry room in there, this is a pretty sweet floor plan. You know what? I actually toured a floor plan like this once. Matter of fact, this reminds me of a class that we held with this exact same floor plan. And I'm standing in that very spot as I was talking to a bunch of agents back then. Okay. Here, you could always turn this into an office, right? Or another bedroom if you choose to. I would probably put a glass wall, which would be really nice. So that way you have your separate, but then your own privacy, but then you can see out to everything. I think it's really cool. If you guys are interested in custom glass, custom windows, custom sliding doors, we partnered up with the company, Glass Vegas. Contact my girl, Nicole. She'll definitely take care of you guys, okay? So let's take a look at this living room here. Very decent sized living room. You got the Pkwy wire for your surround sounds. This kitchen island is a large kitchen island, okay? Not feeling the cabinets. One thing I would change with this cabinets, these are things that you gotta look out for. I would have to reskin this, is due to the fact that, you see this right here? These actually look like knots, and they are knots, and that's the reason why you're getting that discoloration there. And on this builder, as you can see, they do not lay the tile underneath the baseboards. The baseboard guys are coming in first, tile guys are coming in after, and all they're doing is grouting over those lines. We've got dovetail cabinets. These are Aristocrats, I believe. Yeah, soft closing cabinets. Beautiful backsplash though, a little different. Upper cabinets. Whirlpool appliances. Let's see what this stove looks like. It's the last video home tour of the day. I mean, today's Sunday. I banged out 5. As you can tell, my energy is running low, because I go low, 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 low. Also, if you're looking to build a custom home, man, give me a call, because I want to earn your business. I got bills I got to pay for. You know what I'm talking about? Also, I'm going to give a quick shout out to all the super fans out there, all the love and the support. Like, man, you guys been supporting me. What a great community, I just want to say. You know, I got to be appreciative sometimes. Not so damn bougie all the time. But one thing I'd say, man, hard work does pay off. But you got to keep it going. Oh, the dowel rod is short on this one. These carpets are not going to last that long. These synthetic carpets. Orange peel texture, bull nose, 1/2 inch on here. Okay. You got your water closet here. This is a very, very tight bathroom. Here they got to repaint this. You got some grout lines that need to be done. I'm not happy with this one. Definitely have potential on this house, that's for sure. Look at these lot sizes, man. Damn. Back door open. Look at this lot size. Definitely. Put an Olympic sized pool here. Oh, look, 2 AC units. That's perfect. Let's see what kind of brand this is. This looks like a Bryant. Damn, they took out the labels off of this one. Yeah, these are actually, you know what? This is a Bryant or a Carrier. Kind of make the same color. It's kind of hard to tell when they don't put the labels on there. I ain't going out there, it's too hot. I'm getting too lazy. It's my last video home tour of the day. It's Sunday, and what time is it right now? I've been working my butt off. It's almost 2 o'clock, and I just want to spend some time with my wife and just to hang out. That's the only thing that matters. Ooh, they got some pizza up in here? Those guys' pies? Oh, let's see what we got. Ooh, pepperoni. Should I grab one? Should I grab one, guys? Nah, I ain't gonna grab that. That's a COVID about to waiting to happen. So you got your alarm panel here. All right, let's go down this way. Let's go take a look at the next gen. Oh, Jesus. This is pretty large. But one thing about this house, man, I'm gonna tell you guys, we need more light. There is not enough light in this house. We're gonna have to run more electrical. There's just no way around it. No microwave up in here. What's up with that? I think on this one they actually do add a microwave on this. Washer and dryer. Man, I bet you can rent this out for like $1,500 a month. Now I just toured the other model and I was talking about how hideous whoever did the design. And I'm gonna say, this is a pretty horrible design. Whoever the interior designer was, please don't feel offended. This is just not my style. Like, you would figure you would have to tailor to the new generation and what's trending. And I don't feel like this is trending. I know I'm talking schmack. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Do you like the curtains? Do you like the couch? What about the rug? Let me know in the comments below. Now, on a serious note, man, I'm just having some fun. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really wish you guys nothing but the best, okay? One thing I want to leave on the last note here. Whatever you do in life, right? Work hard at it, stay focused, be the best that you can be, right? Master your craft, stay consistent, okay? Consistency, discipline, hard work, it will pay off, guys. All right, folks. Wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.